Good morning. Good afternoon. Sorry make you wait so long. There's always something in between. Every time I want to do something, there's always something else already there. Sorry, huh? Hello and goodbye. Why are you going home so quickly, so early? Working? Oh, I thought I'm the only one that works. Have you enjoyed?
Yes.
Short, huh? Short but good, huh?
Yes.
Yeah. I hope you come back again. Every time you go, I feel sorry too. I feel if you could stay forever, it would be good. Most of you I like very much. I like you to stay. Just that situation is not possible. So make the best use of your time in your country and come back again. Maybe soon. You should not go. You have nothing to do in Bangkok, no? I am here. Why are you there? Huh? You have business? Good business? Yeah, really? Better and better? Do you have any business in Cambodia now? Similar one? No? Not yet? I think they need, huh? They need to send their people outside. Why don't you get in touch with the minister there and see what you can do? Because at the moment, the Philippine people don't want to go to Singapore. They still do, or they're better now? The Philippines and the Singapore, are they still quarreling?
They're okay.
They're okay now? And they send people there? People, do you want to go or not?
The government okay.
The government okay, but are the people okay? The Philippine people okay or not?
Yes.
Yeah, but I tell you. Oh, I'm sorry, something in my eye. It's better now. It's the aircon. Please stop it. I cannot bear it. My eyes already hurt because I didn't sleep last night. So it hurts. And I had to read books in case I find something interesting for you. But nothing. You have to read the whole book. Maybe you find one half story. Or the other half you have to invent yourself. And you waste the whole night reading a book for nothing. I always have to do useless things like that. So sometimes I pray to the master, the inside master like yours. Yeah? You know the inside master? I pray to the inner master. I said, please, let me just pick up one story and good one. So after I pray very hard and recited 5 names and meditated, then I open the book and I read the whole thing. And it was garbage. So I said to the master, what's wrong? I prayed very hard, did I not? I was very sincere, was I not? And I need the story, don't I? I need it for your children, huh? So the master said, what can I do for you? The whole book is garbage. Yeah. Even if you pray 100 more times, you open 100 more times. What can I do for you? I said, how come? He said, well, the whole world is like that. Very difficult to find something. I said, okay, then you go down. You do it. You do the job. I can't invent a story every day to make the teaching lively. You know, you need some examples, some spice, and sometimes some invention. Huh? But I can't invent every day and every time. Some of the theories that I have spoken to you are the truth that you know, directly from intuition. But sometimes other people, they need proof, you know? So sometimes the proof is in the books of other people's experiences or from scientific point of view. That's why I must read books sometimes. I do when I have time, and I do like to read books. It's also a good pastime, hobby, yes. But most of the time you have to be lucky, in order to find a good book, an interesting one, yeah? Even sometimes the story or the essence is very interesting, but the author, writes a lot of garbage, and it's very difficult for you to dig out, the diamond through the big heap of dirt. That's why sometimes I spend a lot of time. Okay, so everything I should tell you I already told. So take care of yourself. Walk with beauty, truth, and goodness all the time. Always try to remember to keep yourself pure inside out. Keep yourself tidy and pretty inside out. Okay? Keep yourself shining all the time, inside out. Be a good representative of God and the Master Power. Then you can be of use to yourself and be proud of yourself and be useful to everyone else who comes in contact with you. If you think you believe me, then live the way I do. Anything you don't like about me, okay, you don't copy. Anything that you like about me, you copy and make it better even. Make a better copy. Yeah. In that case, you will always live your life with ease. Then you know that your life is not wasteful. It has been very, very good up to now, and then it will be better in the future. The world needs you because I'm only one. You are many. And you are always having the opportunity to get in touch with many people who love you, who trust you, who need you, because they know you. They don't know me that much. They probably will. They probably will in the future through you. But you are their first teacher. Remember, through your relationship with the world, you will bring them hope, confidence, goodness, beauty, and truth. And then maybe if the opportunity comes, they will come to know me also. Then I will also have the honor and opportunity to share with them whatever I can, whatever I have, whatever I understand, and whatever I'm able to convey and to share with them. So truly, you are in every way in a better position to serve the world. You must always remember that in order to take care of yourselves, to progress in spiritual practice, and to purify your inside and outside. Because you're very, very important. You understand now?
Yes.
Don't just look upon me as the sole purpose and the sole person in your life. You must look upon yourselves and upon every other future Buddha that you encounter on your path in your life. In that way, we're always together and we are never apart because we look in the same direction. As one good philosopher said, love is not to look into each other's eyes, but to look into the same direction. Likewise, we always look in the same direction. That's why we are always together. Doesn't matter where you are. You will always remember me, and I'm in your heart. So we are never apart. But of course, since God has created so many beautiful appearances, like you and your neighbors or myself, of course we love to see God's expression in different people, and different beautiful things in this world. But it's not always necessary to do so. Sometimes we do if we can, and if we cannot, it's all right. Okay? You know already? Yes. But since I see you, I remind you again. And you always love to hear me blah blah anything, anyhow. So that's to make you happy that I have spoken and that you have heard something for the last time, and that you really got something. Even though it's the same ingredients and cooked always, maybe in different way, but same ingredients all the time. Because there's nothing else except the truth that we express, right? And there's nothing else that we want to hear except the truth. So whatever it may be, I stand by, and good luck. Good progress. I'm going down now to the hill, down the hill. And if you still have time, you may prepare yourself to sit there, and then we see each other, okay? All these are yours, I guess, I think. All right, help yourself. Okay. Do you have any representative here? Contact persons? Contact persons? No? You? Where from? Hong Kong? The only one? Oh, come here. Contact persons. I don't know what's inside, but it looks different.
Thank you, Master.
Okay. So that you work harder in the future. Hong Kong, only from Hong Kong. And take all the skull and the blame in the same way as you take my blessing. Okay? Because to be a leader of some kind is to be a slave of the public. There's nothing to be proud of but good. Anyone else who would be a contact person? If not, then okay, catch. Catch. And work harder. See you. Thank you for your love. Good presence. See you again. I thought you were coming to stay forever. Sâu một điểm hả? Sư phụ, đúng không? Chào. Sư phụ.